How to use RedNote application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use RedNote application. So for those who don't know what RedNote application is, so it's basically an alternative for TikTok, and you can just create some videos and post them, and you can also view videos from different creators around the world. So when you open the app, first you'll be redirected to the home page, and here is the explore section that is just like the typical explore section of TikTok and Instagram. And over here is the follow section, so all of the people that you follow, all of the videos they post would be displayed over here. And then we have a section that says nearby, so all of the videos that the people post that are within your location would be displayed over here. And then so basically what trending is that the videos that are trending in this application right now would all be listed over here. And after that we have this plus icon that if you wish to create a video, you can just click on this plus icon and select a video and post that. And all of your followers, and if you have your account publicly, then everyone would be able to view that video. And then we have an option that says messages. So all of your notifications and messages would be over here. All of your likes and collects, your new followers, your comments and mentions, everything would be displayed over here. You can also discover new friends and start chatting with them. And here you can see that I have no messages at the moment, so it's written this. And you can even create more groups by clicking on this icon over here. And after that we have me. So what basically me section is that it is your profile, and if your whole profile or your whole application is in Chinese, then you can convert that into English, like I'm using it in English right now. So in order to do that, you're going to click on this gear icon over here. So you can just click on this gear icon and then just click on general settings, and then you can just click on languages. And after that you'll be able to see that if your option is in Chinese, you can just select English, and all of your application would be changed into English. Now over here there are a couple of other options, such as other account security, general settings, if you want your application to be in dark mode or not. And then we have notification settings, privacy settings, your clear cache, content preferences, widget if you wish to add the widget. There are other stuff like teen mode or other stuff like the application is not completely in English, it's in Chinese right now. And then after that you have another option that you can click on these three horizontal lines, and here are all of the other options like drafts, your comments, your history, everything. And this application also has a built-in shop, so you can just click on shop, and over here you'll be able to see that you can buy and sell various items such as women's wear, furnishing, outdoors, anything. So it's basically just like a shop over here as well. So that was basically how you can use the RedNote application. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.